Today we're going to be making a delicious pitaya smoothie bowl. This is my favorite way to kind of cleanse my body when I feel I've just been eating really bad. And so yeah, it's such an easy recipe, and here it is. So we're going to use one frozen banana, frozen pitaya, which you can get at Whole Foods now, but this is from a website that I'll post underneath. Almond milk, original, I don't use vanilla, and some honey. Now the first thing we're gonna do is put the frozen banana in the blender. Using frozen banana is the best thing ever. It feels creamy and it's kind of like a frozen yogurt. Go ahead and put your pitaya into the blender as well. As you'll see here, I only use half just because the color is very pink. Some almond milk, and lastly, a little drizzle of honey, and that is it. So now the best part, we're gonna see the colors come together, and there it is. We're gonna blend it up and look at that color. Nice and pink. Beautiful. It's my favorite part of making this smoothie bowl, seeing the color when it starts blending. So blend that up for a bit and just serve it into a bowl just like this. Now you can top off your smoothie bowl with anything that you want, and that's what's so great about it. But on mine, I'm just putting here some granola. It's actually a protein granola. Some walnuts, which are good for you, and I just dumped those strawberries in. Some strawberries and some shredded coconut. I use sweet coconut. I like it when it's sweet. I don't really like it when it's not sweet. If you toast these up, even better. And lastly, I did put a little bit of maca powder. I've realized that maca powder has given me so much energy throughout the day. Well, this bowl in general gives me so much energy, but I would consider adding maca powder into your diet every day. It's really great. And here's the finished product. Such an easy recipe. It's quick for the morning and it is really delicious. I feel like I'm having dessert. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and leave your comments below, and stay tuned till my next one.